Hey everyone, this is going to be exercise number 1 with the HFA Force Generator. So all I want you to do, you're going to want to put this underneath your chair, straighten your back, put your palms facing up closer to your knees, and just close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. So what's happening now is you are in the midst of this absolutely beautiful vortex that is just being generated. So if you have been to Sedona, some of the places in Alaska, and other places throughout the US and the world, and have been on a natural vortex, you know that they can be unreliable, too powerful, sometimes inconsistent, so reports would vary as you're there. The HFA Force Generator Extreme is constant. It never turns off, it never wavers, it never changes frequencies. It's always on, utilizing free energy in the magnet that are around it, plus the huge flat one in the middle. So from here, take those 3 breaths. And what I want you to do is, if you are in pain, if you have something going on inside your body, something going on around your light body, what I just want you to do is just direct the energy that you feel flowing through you into that area, and just watch what happens to that area. So if I had a headache, looks like someone is interested in the energy from the vortex. If I had a headache, this would be the best way to get rid of it, literally within probably less than 3 minutes. If I had some type of chronic pain from anything, this would be a great way to help alleviate it. If possibly I was even sick, which I don't get sick very often, this would be a great way. So this is kind of an exercise that you can do anytime that you're kind of in your place of power and you really want to feel and bring on the energy from the vortex. Now remember, you have to keep your back straight, and when you're in the vortex, you're going to start seeing images in your head. It could be almost like a light show maybe, and you'll start to feel that energy move from the base of your spine all the way up to the back of your neck here at the base of your skull and back down. What's happening is the energy of the vortex is allowing the cells and the light highways within your body to communicate more effectively, thereby bringing more of that beautiful light energy to you. And vortexes are incredible. This product is off the chart. If you have done this with the first one, and you can use all these exercises I'm going to be showing you with the first one, it's game on, folks. You know, with the extreme, it's a whole extremely new level, pun intended. And it puts you in this amazing, like, giddy type of childlike energy. So if you're stressed out, if you have anxiety, just put it under the chair. And I mean, you're seeing the transformation that I'm going through. It's only been like 3 minutes. I mean, so I need to kind of get out of this mode for now. But yeah, this is an exercise you can use for all multitudes of everything in the body, outside the body, just to lift your spirits, get out of negativity mode, dissolve negativity within the body. It's absolutely beautiful how fast this works. And again, folks, this is the HFA Force Generator Extreme, coming to a reality near you.